Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce to you a colorful box. As you can see, this color really makes people want to open it. Okay, no more turning, let's see what's on the inside. It looks like a nail art color, and when you open it, you'll see an instruction prompt. There is also related product information. Okay, there seems to be quite a lot of things here. Let's take a look at this small box first. The box was originally filled with small lattices. There should be 50 of these small grids. Let me guess, this should be for color, right? Looking at this structure, it should also be possible to take it out, to reassemble and replace with a new grid. And he tested that this small grid is not easy to fall out, and it is very stable. He is really caring. Let's see what else. There is a unique little stick that looks very light and is used for pushing, right? There are also many colors below. Seeing this number, there should be 40 nail colors. This manufacturer is really considerate. Even the recess for the handle is made. It is really convenient and very comfortable to hold. Seeing the colors hanging in this row is really beautiful. It matches the appearance of the box very well. Even I want to buy a box to enjoy, because it is so beautiful. But how are these used? Don't worry, there are pictures and text teaching in front of the box opening. The two pictures have explained how to use it, which is quite simple to understand. First, take out the color and try it out. After inserting the stick into the color, push it gently, just look at the color. It's really a very streamlined design, but remember to push it into the grid. Looking at his operation, it is obvious that the small grid is not prepared, and this is a bad example. It is estimated that this color is wasted. Look at him quickly put it back in the box and try other colors. Oh my god, he chose my favorite baby pink. This is an exciting color, just like a delicious cake. Okay, let's demonstrate the correct way one more time. The nail color should be pushed into the small grid, so as not to cause waste. Okay, after pushing a grid, can you push another grid? This shows that each color is quite a lot. No wonder the manufacturer provides 50 small grids, so we can adjust the colors and add more colors, right? It is really convenient to use it in nail painting, and it is no longer necessary to write down the number of each color. It seems to be very durable. If you buy it, can you tell me how long it can be used? Faced with so many colors, I have a suggestion here. Don't fill it too much, because it will be full, so keep it clean and use it to be more durable. Well, here is the introduction. You all know that it is used in nail art. If you can paint what pattern, you can leave a message here. Well, today's introduction is here. If you like this video, you can share, like, leave a message, and follow. See you next time.